Welcome to day 5 in our 7-day challenge. I got a question for you. You know why people use to-do lists? They use to-do lists because it's a systematic way of getting things completed. There's a law called the law of diminishing returns. The law of diminishing returns says the more things you have on your plate, and I'm just paraphrasing this now, the more things you have on your plate to focus on, the less productive you become in all those things. And so as you add more things to your plate, you'll find the less productive you are. If you focus on 2 things, then the likelihood of you getting those 2 things complete is high. If you focus on 10 things, then the likelihood of you getting even 1 thing complete starts to go down tremendously. And so the key is to focus on just a few things and get those few things completed and then move on to the next thing. That's how we become successful. We become successful by getting and accomplishing our goals one by one and being consistent in that process. And so the law of diminishing returns says or demonstrates to us that we need to have a pinpointed focus on what we're going after. So what I want you to do is for each of the 7 areas, I want you to identify your top 3 items that you want to pursue. Now, when you're picking these 3 items, make sure that these items will have the most impact on the direction you want your life to go. Once you've decided what your top 3 items are, the ones that have the most impact, write those on a separate sheet of paper for each of the 7 life areas, and then we'll go from there tomorrow. Make sure you do your homework. I'll see you tomorrow.